my another new gameplay video. So guys, today we will play Granny Chapter 2 again. In the last video of last or in the last video of Granny Chapter 2, I cannot escape. But every day I play Granny and practice and escape many times. So today I will try to escape Granny in this video. Yes. So let's play. We will do helicopter escape. So let's play. So let's play check in the down first. Mm. Oh yes, glass fuse. We need this. I need this. Let's hide here. Granny and Grandpa will come, and I will go upstairs. Grandpa is coming, and Granny come. Please come, Granny. Granny is coming. Yes, Granny. Go.
You cannot hide.
Oh my god. Nothing.
I see you.
Nothing here. Oh, cutting pliers. Yes. I need also this, and I have to check here. Nothing inside. Nothing. Cutting pliers. Nothing. So let's check here first. Weapon key. Yes, I need it. So first unlock weapon key.
There you are.
Oh my god, Grandpa. Grandma. Grandpa already see me.
Why to me and never see? Oh, Diana, can you see?
So let's unlock range. We need it, and nothing. So let's unlock. Oh my god. Yes, we get the shotgun. I have to call Granny here now. Today we will try to escape. There is Granny. I think Grandpa will come. Grandpa, please come. I need security key because I have to escape with helicopter. Grandpa, come please. I think Grandpa is coming. I think. Grandpa, please come. Grandpa will not come. I think. Grandpa will not come. Door lock. I think Grandpa is in the third floor. My face not here.
You want to play?
First we will check here. Gasoline, we need this also. And just we need a helicopter manual and duct tape. But I have to kill Grant. Oh, oh, yes, finally. I got a security key. I can unlock now this gate. I need a piece of picture first. Then I need shotgun. Almost Grandpa killed me. So let's check here. Yes, duct tape and just I need now helicopter manual. Uh, so let's check here. And we got everything. Just we need helicopter manual. We have to check where is it. We need piece of picture. Piece of picture. So we have to. Granny is here. So let's kill Granny. Granny is coming. Granny gone. So let's use safe key. Where is safe key? I don't know. Yes. Yes, upstairs. Just we need helicopter manual and nothing. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes, helicopter manual. I got everything, guys. Just I need helicopter. Oh no, helicopter key I need and piece of pictures. Just I need helicopter key and nothing else. Wrench. We got another piece of picture and helicopter key and we get all. So let's take this and I have to check. Guys, I get all things. Yes, guys. I think, guys, I gonna win. Oh, just I need one piece of picture and I got everything, guys. Just one piece of picture. So guys, if you new in this channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And let's check. Where is piece of pictures? No piece of picture. Then where is the last piece of picture? It's where? Wait a minute. Yes, yes, I got this. And the last, we got everything, guys. And we are going to win, guys. Yes. Yes, and we need shotgun now. Oh my
I
god.
see
Oh
you.
my god. Oh my god. Grandpa, Granny. Oh, almost, guys. Almost. Granny, Grandpa, both. Okay. I got everything. This Granny and Grandpa have to go. I need shotgun now to solve these puzzles. This is very easy for me. Oh my god, Granny. Run.
I see you.
This is unfair, guys. This is unfair. Guys, day 2. No, well. But we are going to win. Yes, guys. And I know where is shotgun. To hide again. Please come, Granny. Let's go. Oh, let's go. I have all things. Finally, guys. One done. Two also done. I made so many ammos. And done. I need a glass fuse. No. The floor is cracked. That's why. First, I have to check is Granny or not. Granny or Grandpa. First fuse. Finally, guys, I got everything. Done. Finally guys, this is our helicopter. In the last video we lose for the glass fuse. Now we need gasoline and helicopter key. Both we found it. Oh my god, grandpa is here. Guys, almost grandpa is here guys. Almost grandpa killed me. Almost. Grandpa, first why I have to check CCTV camera. Hmm. Granny is downstairs. Granny is coming up. I mean second floor. Just we need helicopter key, and I found that also in the bathroom. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Done, guys, done. Just I need helicopter key. If you check in the helicopter CCTV camera, where is Granny? No one in the second floor. Grandpa is coming here. No, Grandpa is not coming. Grandpa is going. Oh my god. Granny, go. No one. So I can go. Granny is going. Guys, just now we will escape. The video is ending. Finally, guys, Granny Chapter 2 Helicopter Escape done! Finally, guys. See, I am very pro, guys. Finally, guys. Finally, guys. Finally, I escaped Granny chapter. Already I escaped, but in video, finally I escaped. So, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, or comment, and subscribe. And who are new in this channel, please subscribe. So, bye.